Alright, so I know capsules, as Katie said, they have gelatin shells which are hard or soft, and they also can have special markings with codes. Capsules also have advantages and disadvantages. They're easy of use due to the fact that it is smooth, slippery, and easy to swallow. They're suitable for substances having bitter taste and unpleasant odor. As produced in large quantities, it is economically attractive and available in a wide range of colors. They're rapid dissolution and have a faster onset of action. The contents of the most immediate release capsules can be mixed with water and administered to a child or to a parent with an internal or nasogastric feeding tube. So a disadvantage, though, from the nasogastric feeding tube is may cause gastric irritation. Special conditions are required for storage, such as a dry, cool place. Capsules are not suitable containers for liquids that dissolve gelatin, such as aqueous or hydroalcoholic solutions, and do not allow as much dosage manipulation as tablets or liquid formulations. So, capsule administration, just like tablets, patients who have difficulty swallowing should tilt their head back to ease the process, or they make Deodur sprinkles and Devoloprox capsules, which are suitable to be opened up and sprinkled on food when swallowing is difficult for a child or adults. Do not open capsules that are intended to be swallowed whole, such as delayed release drugs. And so the liquid dosage forms, we have solutions, which are syrups preferred because they do not contain alcohol. Contain available flavoring, coloring, or aromatic agents. It's an aqueous solution, which means it is water-based. Another is elixirs, clear, sweetened, flavored solution containing ethanol with hydroalcoholic. And then there's less common solutions. So liquid administration should be accurately measured in a medication cup or measuring spoons, and not household utensils, because they're not accurate. Solutions, the advantages and disadvantages of a solution. Their advantages are their faster onset of action than tablets or capsules, easy administered, the individualized dosing according to patient's body weight, ideal for certain age groups. The active ingredients are completely dissolved in the liquid. A disadvantage is often less stable than solid dosage tablets and capsules, and monitor proper storing conditions. So, suspensions, emulsions, colors, and powders. So there's a definition of suspensions, which is a liquid medication in which the substance's solid particles are not dissolved in the liquid even after mixing. Advantages can be the form of powders or granulated crystals that contain many inactive ingredients. And the disadvantage is less sugary, unpleasant taste, and they have to be shaken before every use. There's a definition of a powder, which is a preparation in the form of fine particles. Emulsions definition is a mixture of two unbendable substances, and the advantages are medicated emulsions often contain an emulsifying agent that makes the liquid more stable and less prone to separation. A disadvantage must be shaken well to mix evenly before use. Colloids is a mixture having physical properties between those of a solution and a fine suspension. So there's special precautions between most or all of them, but we have nitroglycerin tablets that make aware that the tablet can easily disintegrate in the bottle with humidity, so make sure to keep the cotton ball inside of the bottle. Even recommended putting the nitroglycerin vial inside another amber vial with a lid to keep it preserved from the humidity. Milk and coffee and tea can inactivate certain antibiotics and osteoporosis medications. Do not consume alcohol when taking medications. Suspension expiration dates for antibiotics or those mixed with water last 7 to 10 days, and at room temperature it has 14 days if stored in the fridge. Antibiotics, Cefender and azithromycin, are best stored at room temperature after reconstitution and should not be placed in the fridge. And tablets should be kept in the dry place. And that is it.